Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was gonna start doing like a little cute hairdo, but I want to show you guys how I do it because I have a feeling it's going to turn out really cute. So I want to show you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to grab, you see like the end right here where my eyes, like I'm just going to go like that. Grab my hair and kind of just split it and then grab everything. So like there should be that straight line. I'm not really worried if it's like straight or crooked. I know this is not the cutest look ever, but it's going to get better. So I'm just going to brush through my hair with the comb. I already had this like heating up. This is the Hot Tools Professional. I'm not sure what size this is. It doesn't say. Starting from the top and then go curling downwards. And sometimes if you don't want to hold it like this because it kind of does get tiring, what I do is open the end. Can you see that? I opened it and then I just put my hair in there. And then that way I'm only using one hand. Girl, what are you biting? Are you destroying my yoga mat? Oh my god. Yo quería un perrito, pero me dieron un bunny. I mean, that's okay, I guess. I'm not mad at it, but girl, y'all see that? She's literally biting my closet door. The bottom part is extremely curly and the top part is not, so I'm just going to pick some hairs up and only curl the top. That happens sometimes, don't worry. And then do the same thing. And then this part doesn't really matter because that part is already curly. And then I'm just going to do the same exact thing on the other side. The gel I'm going to be using for my hair is Eco. This is great for like laying your baby hairs. These are the little ligas I'm using. But yeah, let's just divide this into two. So I should get this out of the way. I'm just trying my best to aim for like the middle. So if you use this gel when your hair is like really wet, it won't cause any flakes. But if you use it like on dry hair, it will cause flakes. So that's why I'm wetting it a lot. I'm grabbing some gel. Smoothed out everything. And then I'm just grabbing a bobby pin and then setting it. I'm not a pro at laying baby hairs, but you just grab some hairs, the most that you can, and then you just put gel on it. Don't be scared with the gel, like use it. But I'm going in with my favorite drugstore. This is a LA Girl in the shade beige. Tarte Shape Tape. I saw this photo and I was like, I don't know why I instantly thought modern Renaissance. She has like orange going on, and this Real Gar is like the perfect shade for it. Stamp your color. Don't worry about blending. This little brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna blend the outer part so it can look seamlessly and not like that crazy. If you notice, the color did fade away a lot. That's okay. You just grab that shade, that same brush that you stamped the color with, and then you just go back and stamp it again. No big deal. it brings the color back again, because I don't know if it's the brush that picks up all the product, or just you blend it out so good that it kind of just fades away. So see, this color faded away, and I want it to be like bright orange, so I'm gonna go back, pick up more color, and then just stamp it on there, and then just blend out the edges. I'm grabbing this and kind of sharpening my edge part. This is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I got this from a mall in LA. This girl was like hella trying to hustle. She was like, please buy it. Like, if I don't make any sales today, I'm gonna get fired. And girl, I was broke AF myself, you know. I was there searching for a job, but like, she made me feel so bad for her. I was just like, okay girl, like, I'm gonna do this, but I'm not even working. That's the type of person I am. This is glue for glitter from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just gonna first put it on my hand and then put it right here. I only want this color kind of like in the center. I don't want it like anywhere else. Picking some of the shimmer up. It went too far. This is a halo eye. Oh my god, this actually looks so freaking cute, like a lot cuter than what I was expecting it to. My little niece is coming. Bunny, you're getting out of here. Yeah? Huh?
Might have been a little overboard, but
Of course you guys did.
where's the bunny?
I don't know. I kicked its butt. It was biting everything.
Still come.
Okay, I'll go right now.
Okay.
For lashes, I'm gonna go in with Ardell 811s. I really like these ones. I feel like they define my eyes so freaking beautifully. Beautifully, is that a word? I don't know. I'm gonna contour my face with Kat Von D. I'm picking up the middle shade right here. Yeah. I'm just gonna grab this color again and then just set my under eye with it. What is that? Wow. What is that? What the fuck? Ooh, I need to start using eye creams. I didn't blend the bottom part really good before I started setting, and because of that my creasing is starting to like show a lot, but it's okay. I wasn't intending to put this much eyeshadow down here, but sometimes if your makeup creases, your under eye crease, you just want to grab some eyeshadow and then you just want to take it down further below. At least that's what I do, and that kind of solves the problem. Like, now you can't really tell. I mean, it's still there, but it's not as noticeable. My favorite lip liner, Cork from MAC, and then overline. And I'm going in with Champagne Glam from e.l.f. It's supposed to like be a lip plumper, to like kind of numb your lips and like make them a little bigger, but honestly I don't feel any of that. Like, it does feel a little tingly, but for it to make a huge noticeable like Kylie Jenner plump lips, no.